Omi, an open-source AI wearable that captures your screen and conversations, transcribes in real time, and gives you an AI chat that remembers everything you've seen and heard. 24+ hours of battery life, 300,000 users, hardware, firmware, mobile apps, and backend, all MIT licensed, all open source. 9,800 stars on GitHub. Omi is a full-stack AI capture and memory system built by based hardware. It works across 3 form factors: a wearable device you clip on that continuously captures audio, a desktop app that captures your screen, and mobile apps on iOS and Android. Everything captured gets transcribed in real time using DeepGram's speech-to-text engine with GPU, accelerated voice activity detection, and speaker diarization, so it knows who is speaking. The AI layer then generates summaries, extracts action items, and feeds everything into a persistent memory system. You can chat with Omi and ask about anything it has captured: meetings from last week, a conversation from yesterday, code you were looking at 3 days ago. The memory is searchable and contextual. What makes this project remarkable is that everything is open source under the MIT license. The hardware schematics, the NRF and ESP32 firmware, the Flutter mobile apps, the Swift and Rust macOS app, the Python Fast API backend, and the plugin ecosystem. This isn't a closed product with an open API. It's a fully open hardware and software platform that 300,000 professionals use daily. The repo has 9,800 stars and 1,700 forks, with over 17,000 commits, which tells you this is a mature, actively maintained project with significant community investment. Let's look at the repo. 9,800 stars and 1,700 forks for an AI hardware project is exceptional. Most hardware projects struggle to attract software developer attention because the barrier to entry is higher. Omi bridges that gap with comprehensive documentation, pre-built binaries, and cloud-connected quick starts that let you use the software without owning the hardware. The codebase spans 6 languages: 41% Dart for the Flutter mobile apps, 19% C for the embedded firmware, 13% Python for the backend, 11% Swift for the macOS app, 6% TypeScript for web components, and 2% Rust for performance-critical macOS audio processing. The 1,733 commit count on 472 open issues shows both the project's maturity and its active development pace. Omi ships 2 hardware products. The Omi Wearable is the flagship, a small clip-on device running NRF firmware on Zephyr OS that captures audio continuously via Bluetooth Low Energy. It pairs with the mobile app over BLE and streams audio for real-time transcription. The battery lasts 24+ hours on a single charge, meaning it captures an entire day of conversations without needing to be recharged. It's designed for continuous all-day wear. Meetings, casual conversations, phone calls, everything gets captured and transcribed. The Omi Glass Dev Kit is the more experimental product, built on the ESP32S3 processor with an integrated camera and audio capture. This is specifically for developers who want to build visual AI applications. Think augmented reality overlays, visual context extraction, or real-time object recognition combined with audio transcription. The ESP32S3 provides Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity with enough processing power for on-device pre-processing before streaming to the cloud backend. Both devices are fully open source. Schematics, PCB layouts, firmware code, and BLE protocol specifications are all in the repo. If you want to manufacture your own version or modify the hardware design, everything you need is available. The software stack covers every layer from embedded firmware to cloud backend. The mobile apps are built in Flutter, shipping to both iOS and Android from a single Dart code base. This accounts for the largest portion of the code at 41%. The macOS desktop app is native Swift with Swift UI for the interface and Rust for performance-critical audio processing. Screen capture and audio stream handling run in Rust for minimal latency and CPU usage. The backend runs Python with Fast API, using Firebase and Firestore as the primary database, Redis for caching, and Pusher for WebSocket real-time communication. GPU accelerated voice activity detection identifies when someone is speaking versus ambient noise. GPU accelerated speaker diarization separates multiple speakers in a conversation. And DeepGram integration handles the actual speech-to-text transcription with professional-grade accuracy. The LLM integration layer processes transcriptions to generate summaries, extract action items, and power the conversational AI chat interface. The entire backend is designed for horizontal scaling. The GPU-accelerated components handle the compute-intensive audio processing, while the stateless fast API layer handles routing and coordination. The memory system is Omi's core differentiator. Every screen capture, every transcribed conversation, every extracted summary becomes part of a persistent knowledge base. You chat with Omi the same way you'd chat with ChatGPT, except Omi has context from your actual life, your meetings, your screen activity, your conversations. Ask about what was discussed in Monday's stand-up. Ask for the action items from last week's client call. Ask what code you were looking at yesterday afternoon. The AI retrieves from the memory store, synthesizes the relevant context, and responds with specific, accurate answers grounded in what actually happened. The memory is searchable. You can browse captured sessions, filter by date or participant, and drill into specific transcriptions. Automatic context extraction identifies key topics, decisions, and follow-ups without you needing to tag or organize anything manually. The system handles multi-speaker scenarios through diarization. It knows that Alice said one thing and Bob responded with another, maintaining conversational structure in the stored memory rather than just a flat transcript. The developer ecosystem provides 4 SDKs: Python, Swift, React Native, and an MCP server for AI assistant integration. The MCP integration is notable. It means Claude Code, Gemini CLI, or any MCP-compatible assistant can access your Omi memory during coding sessions, pulling in context from recent meetings or conversations without you needing to manually copy information. The plugin system supports community-built integrations. Example apps include GitHub integration for correlating code discussions with commits, Slack integration for syncing conversation context across platforms, and Oma Mentor for AI-powered coaching based on captured interactions. Custom chat tools let developers build specialized AI interfaces on top of the memory system. Audio streaming apps can tap into the raw audio feed for real-time processing. And the community plugin system tracks usage statistics, giving plugin developers visibility into adoption. For hardware developers, the open firmware and BLE protocol specifications mean you can build entirely new capture devices that feed into the Omi ecosystem. Different form factors, different sensors, different use cases, all using the same backend and memory infrastructure. The fastest path is the macOS app, run./run-h-YOLO, and it builds the macOS app, connects to the cloud backend, and launches. No environment files, no credentials, no local backend setup. For mobile, the iOS and Android apps are available on the App Store and Google Play. Search for Omi or download from omi.me. For developers who want to run the full stack locally, clone the repo and follow the backend setup guide to deploy the Python Fast API server with Firebase. The Flutter app can be built from source with standard Flutter tooling. And for hardware development, the firmware builds with standard NRF and ESP32 toolchains. Documentation at docs.omi.me covers every development path: app, backend, firmware, and plugin development. That's Omi, an open-source AI wearable that captures, transcribes, and remembers everything. Hardware, firmware, apps, and backend all MIT licensed. 9,800 stars, 300,000 users. GitHub link and omi.me in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI hardware and developer tool coverage.